Hello students, today's lecture discuss about Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule for aromaticity. So Huckel's rule can also be considered as a 4n plus 2 rule. And Huckel's rule is also essential to identify the aromatic characters of the organic compounds. So students, how will decide compounds are aromatic or non-aromatic? Different criteria are there, essentially the compounds which process the aroma smell. Aromatic compounds. So many compounds were discovered possess the aroma smell, but they are non-aromatic. Now for example, esters. Then the compounds where contain one or more benzene ring. Their structure can considered aromatic compound. Later so many organic compounds discovered is not contain benzene ring, but they are aromatic. Now for example, some heterocyclic compounds like furan, thiophenpyridine, etc. The compounds which can satisfy Huckel's rule, that the aromatic compounds, otherwise they can considered as the non-aromatic compounds. Now we will go for the Huckel's rule. Here according to the Huckel's rule, a compound is said to aromatic if it satisfies 4n plus 2 rule. Huckel's rule, where according to the Huckel's rule a compound is said to aromatic if it is satisfy 4n plus 2 rule. Now for the Huckel's rule, following conditions here. First rule, is the compound must be cyclic and planar. Compound must be cyclic and planar. It means that all the ring atoms in the compound should be present in the same way. In the compound is always cyclic. All ring atoms are sp2 hybridized. And rule second is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. This condition is that cyclic must be conjugated, means that the pi electron must shows the resonance. Pi electrons must shows the resonance. Example: benzene, and 1,3-cyclohexadiene. This cyclic system must